Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here to make a video to show you how to make a works cited page with NoodleTools. It's super easy if you know what to do. I know NoodleTools can be kind of annoying, but it actually can save you a lot of time. So here's what you've got to do. First, go to the high school webpage. Then hover over Departments, click on Library. Scroll down and, hey, NoodleTools. Click on that. Okay, you'll have to log in. To do that, you're going to log in with Clever. So click on Clever, and then click on Login with Active Directory. You'll sign in as if you're signing onto a school laptop, put in your password. And there you go, you're in NoodleTools. Now the next step is to make a project. So click on New Project. We'll just title this Research Paper. For citation style, we're doing the Modern Language Association 8th edition MLA handbook. Citation level, we'll do advanced because you're all advanced students. And there you go. So now we have the project in NoodleTools, but the next step is getting the sources into NoodleTools. You don't have to plug the information in manually. NoodleTools will do it for you. So let's go back to the library page. Now we'll go to the databases. So here's the databases and online resources tab, and we're doing a literature paper. So click on literature. And let's go with literary sources first. This is one database. Let's say I'm writing a research paper on the short story Dagon by H.P. Lovecraft. Okay, so here are all the academic articles. Say I scroll through, I'll look for something that catches my attention, and I see this, and I want to cite this in my paper. So I'll click on it. Here's the article. Then I could click on Cite. Here's the MLA citation. This is what it'll look like in my works cited page. And then look at this. I could export to NoodleTools. Okay, here's the source. And click Import Reference to that project that I just made. And one reference successfully exported to research paper. So now let me go back to my NoodleTools page, go to my sources, and hey, there it is. Now the cool thing is once I have all of my sources in here, I could click on print export to Word, and a Word document will pop up with the citations automatically set in, perfectly formatted. I don't have to do anything except click a few buttons. Okay. So that's all you have to do to make a works cited page. Pretty easy, follow those steps, and you should have no trouble. Thanks for watching, guys.